and now. A little bit of more refinement, and let's see how it goes. So which one looks better? Definitely the second one, where the character is kicking off the can, right? This is called the prop interaction. Now this prop interaction is not there in the storyboard, and this has been improvised from the side of an animator, because as an animator we always feel that we have to give something more compared to what is there in the animatics. Even in movies, the actors resort to these type of improvisations to make the shot more interesting. Now, let's take one more example of prop interaction. Here, the character is in a very angry mood and the action is good to go for that. But how about if we do some additions? Let's add a can and let it go off the table due to the impact of the hand. This prop animation adds to his anger level and makes the shot more effective. The body animation can go on for much more refinement, but the small can animation has already taken the shot to a different level. Now, a bit of more prop animation. Due to the impact of the hand, the table got minor vibrations, which also adds up to the animation of the can and makes the shot more effective. Want a bit more? Let's do it with the chair. So how's that? Better, right? Now let's compare this final one with the previous ones. So that was pretty much for the prop interaction. But be careful not to overdo any prop animation so that the attention shouldn't get diverted towards the prop rather than the main body. So, if you happen to like this chapter and you feel that it's a bit effective, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to my channel TECMK. So for the time being, goodbye.